Cadillac time here at Unique, especially in classics. This particular model, 1956 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe. Now, you are going to see some markings on it on the side here where it says Coupe de Ville, going off the style number on the cowl tag, representing this as a 1956 Series 62 Coupe. Underneath the hood, 365 V8 that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Let you go ahead and get a look at the front chrome grille. Bright work on the car shows well as the paint has had a repaint to the red and white combination. Also power steering, power brake equipped car. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the interior engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. And you can always call us 507-386-1726. Bright work up and down the passenger side, also in nice shape, and you can see how straight this car is for as long as it is. Side panels show very well. Fender skirts, vinyl cloth combination interior in red. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in. Of course, the Continental style package on the rear of this. Exhaust exiting the rear bumper. That is correct. Take a look at the chrome. Bright work on the rear. What a great looking car. Once again, still pictures you can see in the trunk, undersides, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side of this car again. Look at how straight those long panels are. As we like to say, not waving back at you. Bright work also showing very well on this side. Power antenna. There is a power antenna switch underneath the left side of the dash from the steering column. We'll make that go up and down. I have not had reception on the radio. Radio powers up, but did not have reception on the radio. Door panels. Also power front bench seat, and it does work. Power switch is right down there. Free of rips, tears, holes. Interior seating surfaces show well. Take a look at the headliner. Also in nice shape. 6x9s added in the rear deck. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. Check out the engine bay. See, it starts easily. Dash, nice shape. Very stock looking interior with the exclusion of the Pioneer aftermarket radio. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Again, 365 V8 paired up with that automatic transmission. Nice sounding car too. A little deeper exhaust note. Fitting of this nice long car. All right, let me pause this 1 second. Let's pop the hood. Check out the engine bay and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go, hood pop. Hood liner, nice and tight, clean, good shape. Very stock looking engine bay. Again, remember, power steering, power brake equipped. Car's got to be a blast to go down the road in. Riding on those wide white walls and spoke wheels. Classic look. Of course, there are pictures of the data tag or cowl tag there. Also, a picture of the VIN stamping in the frame. All on our website with the still pictures. Probably over 100 pictures of this car online. Check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email 507-386-1726.